Today in this video, we are going to show you how to control your Fire Stick or Fire TV device without using the remote. We are going to show you a totally free app that you can download onto your iPhone or Android phone and use that to control your Fire Stick. First, get into the app. It quickly searches for all the Fire TV and Fire Sticks. Just want to select the device which you are looking to control. Quick one note here before we show you the main remote screen. If you see at the bottom, here it says setup Fire TV recast. If you want to check it out, the main screen of the remote looks like this. The whole center area, there is really like a trackpad. It's really cool. You can swipe down as you see behind me and the screen scrolls with you, and then you just tap it to select something. Entering text, it's really simple now because it just pops up a keyboard here. You just type it in just like you're texting someone. There, another great feature here is they have an overview of all your apps here, and you can just scroll down and really find things very easily. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.